Hi everyone, Camila Rinaldi here for NextPit.com, and today we will talk about the new Galaxy Z Fold 4. The device has new cameras, new software features, and of course a faster SoC. Here is our first hands-on on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Even if it's hardly noticeable without making a direct comparison, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 has slimmed it down a bit and is the lightest Samsung Fold of all time at 263 grams. In addition, the bezels have shrunk both inside and out. While the difference in the interior display is pretty small, the 2.7mm wider external display is rather noticeable. This makes the smartphone look less bulky when closed. In addition, the Z Fold 4 is more robust than its predecessor, with Gorilla Glass 4 Victus Plus used on the outside, making it 12% tougher than the regular Victus glass used on the previous generation. The ultra-thin glass on the inside is said to be 20% more stretch-resistant than the one found in the Z Fold 3. Otherwise, we see an old familiar friend when it comes to the display. The 7.6-inch 120Hz panel once again offers QXGA+ resolution and just looks beautiful. According to Samsung, the AMOLED panel achieves a peak brightness of 1000 nits. This lets you continue to watch or play your videos on the folding tablet in the park. Speaking of gaming, the current Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor works together with a 12GB RAM underneath the hood. The Fold 4 comes with a total of 5 cameras, yes! The main camera module offers a 50MP main camera, a 12MP ultra-wide angle, and a 10MP tripod telephoto zoom lens. Above the outer display you will find another 10MP camera. Finally, inside there is another under-display camera at 4MP resolution, which is a second-generation camera that has been better integrated into the display, reducing its visibility far more than in the Z Fold 3. I don't know if you remember, but with the previous Fold, the pixel grid above the sensor was clearly visible. Finally, the Z Fold 4 has picked up a few new software features. There is now a new taskbar in the lower segment of the screen, in which you can not only store individual apps, but also app combinations that are automatically opened next to each other when tapped. If you mark text in images with the S Pen Fold Edition, the Fold via text extraction offers you corresponding options, such as creating an appointment in your calendar. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be available in 3 variants this August 26. We share all the prices in the description of this video. So that's it. That is the next big thing on Samsung's portfolio for 2022. What do you think about the new Galaxy Z Fold 4? Let us know in the comment section, and please, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and see you next time. Bye!